be reading some surprises, some outfits. So fun. So fun. Whoa.
I'm sorry, I can't take you seriously.
Really?
Not take you seriously. Oh, yeah! No, I can.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Bloody coffee. Oh, no.
Is it time to buy Europe? Don't look now, but European stocks are on the rise. And this time the rally might have legs, some endless.
I don't think you can read without your glasses. Private conversation.
Good evening. Hello. Brittany France, it's us. It's Brittany.
Brittany France is us. You need your glasses.
I told him to pull. So good. Lights out, horsey tonight. How do you use this? I'm not quite sure how to use this. Does it go in this?
Do I still have to be back?
Oh. Should we start over? I'm sorry.
We need to see how to do our accents too.